Welcome back to the Green Workbench. So, got an issue here. That's my shifter. This is on my 1025R. It is loose. So I need to tighten it, but there's no way to easily get to it without taking off these panels. So there were two screws down here I've taken off, and now there's two bolts that I need to take off. I'm going to work on those. Can't tell if it's trying to tell me what size they are there. Okay, so those are 1/2. Try the other side. Spacer. So I've got about 41 hours, 9 hours away from the 50-hour service. Yeah, that did that. Okay. So that allowed me to release that. And it's still very difficult to get to. Okay, let me show you. Down in there. Oh, we got it. The only problem is this isn't a ratchet. Okay. Oh, that's much better. All right, that was a massive pain. So now is the fun part. Okay, so getting this plastic back on was a pain because I forgot this release lever stuck up underneath it and I couldn't get anything to fit. Finally, I took it back off and realized that that needed to stick out. So we're stiff again in our shifter, so we're good to go. That was a pain, but we got it done. So hopefully that helps somebody else as well if you're having a hard time shifting and it feels a little loose on your 1025R. Thanks for watching the Green Workbench. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.